Hi, and welcome to this month of more, week 3, light energy frequency, day 18. And this has been a pretty exciting day so far. And as you know, as we progress through any challenge, everything builds upon itself. So the first week, week 1, we were doing health, and the second week we were doing wealth, money. This week we're doing light frequency energy, and of course the health, the money, the light frequency energy all start to just merge together in this really beautiful dance. And today I woke up and I had the most fabulous text excuse me, waiting for me. And Marie-Helene from who is in Florida and who joined the LifeWave family not that long ago, by the way, maybe, I don't know, she'll tell you, probably 5 months ago. And she's been participating really full out in this month's challenge, which has been super exciting. And so has her team. So today, I want to congratulate from the bottom of my heart the beautiful Wendy Bardra Hinker, who has today advanced to becoming a director in the LifeWave company. And that means that in this month of more, she's been speaking to more people. She'll be earning more money. This is just the most exciting thing, Wendy, and I just want to tell you I am so honored to have you as a part of my team under Bhavani, because I know that you've got a brilliant leader there and that you in your own right have actually stepped up and become this brilliant leader too. And I also want to congratulate our new managers in our team, and that is, we've got Tari Boussard and Brett Hinker, who are both new managers. So look, the managers, the directors, and that means that that's at least 3 more people who get to join the Do It for David private call on Friday. So you get to ask the source of this entire company and this incredible technology the questions that you want to ask them. And all of you now are in the running to win one of the 3 major prizes that we are giving away at the end of this month for those who are really decided that the month of more was when you were going to go for it. By the way, this morning I was thinking about this. I'm going, shouldn't every month be a month of more? More love, more joy, more wonder, more friends, more family, more support, more money? And of course the answer was yes. Every year, every month is a month of more. So let's see it that way. What else? So big congratulations. Today at 3 p.m, Daniel and I are doing a free meditation. This will be your 3rd meditation in the month of more, and it's a Zoom call only. The replay will be put into both groups so that you'll have the opportunity to join us via a replay if you don't make it live. And this meditation is solely been created to help you with more light, more and higher frequencies, more neutrality. And I'm not even going to go there because we've got some great information coming up there. So that's 3 p.m. Pacific this afternoon. I can hardly wait to see you all there and to join you. What else is happening? Tomorrow is day 19 already. Wow. And if you're in the Abundant Soul group, and the Abundant Soul group, we just finished and completed the integrity meditation, which the replay will be in your group very shortly today too. And of course, I just want to talk to you a little about the new Platinum Life program, the Manifest Your Abundant Reality 8-week program that is coming up early June. And for 8 weeks, 2 hours once a week, you are going to get to be in this high frequency energy field. You will get to explore and experience your own lifetimes, your own dimensional realities, where your soul's superpowers became diminished and the blocking frequencies to them took over. And at that stage, you will be able to become neutral to the emotional charge around whatever it is that you are dealing with, whether it be perimenopause or menopausal symptoms that are driving you crazy, whether it's loneliness, sadness, extreme worry, stress, anxiety, whatever it is that you are feeling that is really challenging you or challenging your family, so bring them in, or challenging your family, you will come to that place of absolute harmony, balance, and peace by the end of that program. And I can promise that from the bottom of my heart, because this is our signature platinum program. We have done this for years, and every single person who really says yes to themselves, to investing the time, the energy, the resources into who they are, into who you are. Everyone who's listened to the call of their soul, and their soul have said, yes, I'm ready, right? Every one of them has come out of that program feeling the same way, enriched, empowered, excited, just on fire for life. And that's what we want for you, so that you can easily take all of the tools and everything that you learn and experience, because it's an experiential program, out into the rest of your life that you can use onto forever. So another exciting thing is that until the 1st of June, so you have, a few more days, like 12 days or something, we're still offering the $600 savings when you decide to take this plunge. So up until June 1st, you can enroll in this $5,000 program for $1,900. And then from June 1st to the 7th, you can still roll in this $5,000 program for only $2,500. So just know that we are doing everything our end to make this accessible to you, to make it easier for you to say yes. And if you would like to have a phone call with me, please organize that too. Just ask me below. I'll jump on a call and we can talk about whether or not this program is a fit for you or is a fit for somebody that you know and love. I love you. Day 18, yes. Wow. And by the way, Katish Haberfield just put in a video of her money tree with sounds and everything. Please watch the money tree. It made me smile like you would not believe. There's the money with the tree with the money flowing through it with the sound behind it. It was super cool. Love you all, and again, congratulations Bhadra, congratulations Bhavani. You are the dream team. I love you all. God bless.